Jumping right into week 3, and I have to know, how are you guys feeling? We have covered week 1, the lemon water. We have covered week 2, adding a quarter teaspoon of ginger into our lemon water or into our meals. And let me tell you guys, I am so excited to be doing this with you, because are you or are you not already feeling that flatter midsection, the inflammation in your body going down, your digestion is getting figured out, and we have of 52 weeks to do, and we're only on week 3. We're already seeing these benefits. How exciting is this? So this week we are habit stacking in turmeric. Now, if you are not already familiar with adding in turmeric over 40, let me tell you, you have been missing out. Turmeric goes to work at destroying the inflammation that has been built up inside of our bodies. And right out the gate, I know there is a little controversy about turmeric. Of course, I know it's safe for me. That's why I enjoy it. You have to know your health record. You have to know what's safe for you. But be sure, if you are on the fence at all of whether or not it is safe for you with any other underlying health conditions to have turmeric, just check with your primary doctor. There is a percentage of people that it is not the best for. But for the rest of us, we are adding in turmeric this week. I am going to share with you this recipe right here because I actually have been enjoying turmeric for years, and I was always sipping it in the evening in this latte recipe right here. So that's what I'm showing you how to make today. We are just stacking this habit right on top of the last 2 weeks, and we are going to keep going. Our weight loss is going to continue to soar. It's going to be consistent. We don't feel like we are deprived. We are not focusing on restricting. We are not focusing on doing too much. You know what I'm saying when we're talking about doing too much. I can only eat this. I can only have that. I have to work out this amount. That is not the case for us. If we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Melissa with Healthy Days. What I am talking about that we are all doing is this. It's an instant download digital guide. It's $5. I created it, and I'm going to link it right here, over here. I'll link it down in the description box down below, and I'm going to link it in the comments. It's a great way to be able to follow along with everything that we're doing week by week right here on my channel. We're in week 3, and that's why we are focusing on adding in the turmeric. So like I said, I'm sharing the recipe for this latte right here, but just to make it in real time, all you're going to do is boil up some milk. Go ahead and drop in your 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Now, I know 1 teaspoon does seem excessive. Again, be sure to check with your primary doctor, but it is safe to have up to a teaspoon. If you don't want to have the full amount in one latte, go ahead and break it up throughout the day. You can sprinkle it over salads. You can put it in a smoothie. You could sprinkle it over into your pasta sauce. I mean, whatever you are making, sprinkle it over salmon and vegetables. Check out all of my recipes. I have so many recipes that adding on the seasonings and herbs and spices, it's not going to be overpowering. That's what goes to work with working with your human biology. It takes over. It knows what to do. All it's asking you to do is be sure to get consistent with adding in turmeric. And all I'm asking you to do is purchase my $5 digital download guide. And it's going to guide you for the next 52 weeks of what to be putting into your body. Then our bodies do the rest of the work. But I enjoy it in the steamed almond milk. You can add a sprinkle of the cinnamon. You can add a little bit of honey. Again, to get the turmeric to activate, this is an important step. Always add in black pepper when you're consuming turmeric. It activates it by 2,000%. So obviously that's a no-brainer. But it is that simple. We are on week 3. I'm having a blast with this. So many people are getting on board. I enjoy your comments. I enjoy your messages. I love your questions. So it is not too late. If you are just finding me for the first time, go ahead and check out videos 1 and check out video 2, and then you're going to be all caught up with us. But this process is timeless. All of these habits are going to psychologically stick in your mind. You're going to know how to pull them up. It's going to become second nature to you. You're just going to start adding in over the next year. Each week, we're adding in 1 healthy habit per week, and then they are going to be stuck with you for life. I promise you, this is the only way to go, especially after 40. It is about listening to your body. It is about understanding human biology, the science-based research at this point. We can't get away with what we used to get away with back at our 20s, where we could eat an entire pizza at 2 o'clock and it wouldn't affect us in the morning. I don't know about you, but I am loving this. We're on week 3. I'm so excited for the following weeks coming up. Like I said, if you're new here, please share this with friends and family. If you know anybody else that has been struggling with weight loss and wants to do it in a healthy way, come join our community. Get on board. We're all doing this together. So I'm going to go sip on my latte. Let me know in the comment section down below how your body is feeling. We're going into week 3. What have you noticed? I have to hear from you. What it comes down to is being very intentional about specific foods, 52 of them to be exact, getting those into your body. My name is Melissa with Healthy Days. I'm having such a blast with this. I love hearing from each and every one of you. Be sure to download my digital guide today, and I will see you next week. Week 4. Cheers.